Say good exercise.
So here, come here, Kate. We're gonna do the game plan.
No, you guys just do it, okay? Just jump.
We'll do the game plan.
Just jump. Yeah, I know where to jump. Yeah, actually. And I know how to.
So.
Yeah. Is it possible to jump that way or is it just that? Like where you is?
Guys, just jump.
Jump that way?
Kate could.
Kate could, yeah.
Alright, so Kate, here's how it's gonna work.
Okay.
No, wait.
Come down here. Move.
Don't throw me in.
Now we're gonna throw you
We're
in.
not going to throw you.
Ow.
So come here.
Ow. That hurt.
Come here.
Ow. Wait, stop. Stop. Ow.
Let me see.
I skinned it.
Let me see.
Keep the water will kill it.
Yeah, the water is here.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Oh my god.
Go. Where are you going?
When I go